All right, 35. A equal to 18T plus 15 says Jane made an initial deposit into a saving account. Each week thereafter, she deposited a fixed amount into the account. The equation above models the amount A in dollars that Jane had deposited after T weekly deposits. According to the model, how many dollars were Jane's initial deposit? Disregard the dollar sign, we're getting our answer. Okay. So this question is we have to interpret the equation. Okay, so it's like a linear modeling. Okay, we're using this equation to model the total amount of money that she have in the account. Okay, and A represent total amount, T represent her T weekly deposit. So it's a number of deposit for so pretty much a number of weeks that we have, right? And according to the model, how many dollars were Jane's initial deposit? So we think about like a linear equation is it has slope intercept form, y equal to mx plus b, right? And the modeling question, right? The b value, that's a y-intercept, right, is always some kind of initial amount. Okay, so the y-intercept is representing the initial amount. That's the number that we begin with. Okay, and b is the slope. Okay, the slope is a rate of change. Right, so rate of change. So we think about this question, right? So it's 18 is the slope. That means for each week, right, she must deposit $18, right? According to this model, that's a weekly deposit. And multiplied by t, that's how much deposit we have, right? Each time is 18, that is 18 times t. Okay, and then plus 15 in the end, that should be the initial amount, right? That's the initial deposit. So she began with $15, and after that, each week she put in $18 more. Okay, so for this question, they just want us to answer how many dollar was in the initial deposit, and that should be the y-intercept we sent, right, which is just 15. Okay, so for this question, we don't necessarily have to solve. We can just go ahead and say 15 must be the initial deposit.